In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get more views and subscribers by adding this one thing to your YouTube videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk growing your business with YouTube. If you're new here, I'm Steph, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create and add end screens to your YouTube videos so that you can get your viewers watching more and more of your content and make new viewers more likely to subscribe. So if you want to learn more about that, please keep watching. But before we get into it, please make sure you hit that subscribe button below and also hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I post a new video. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I have a special bonus for you. So for those of you who don't know exactly what end screens are those screens that appear in the last 20 seconds of your YouTube videos with various calls to action for your viewers to take. And they're important because they help keep viewers on your channel, which contributes to your channel's watch time, which is a huge metric here on YouTube that helps YouTube figure out how valuable your content is and how much they should be pushing it out to new people. I have a video all about watch time, by the way, so you can click the card above to watch that. Or is it over here? I never know. Plus, the more time viewers spend on your channel, the more likely they are to subscribe and become part of your tribe. So now I'm going to share my screen and take you step by step through the process. Okay, so once you're on canva.com, go to create design and go to the social media option and scroll right until you see YouTube thumbnail. And now, even though we're creating an end screen, the dimensions are still the same. So for my background, I chose one of Canva's options. So I just came here to background and I used this marble background. And I'm going to use one of my brand colors so you guys can see it better. If you sign up for the business version, you'll be able to store your branding defaults, which is really convenient. Next, I'll show you how I got this phone graphic here. So go to Elements and type in phone or whatever you want to use, and you'll get a bunch of options to choose from. So because your video should be horizontal when you're filming and uploading to YouTube, I'm going to turn this phone around. So you don't want to signal to them that your video is over. So that's why I include the outro portion of my video in my end screen. And I just go right into it. So now you can add just whatever else you want. I like to add my Instagram. You can add whichever social media handles you're active on for community building and to get your audience to follow you off of YouTube as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you're following along so far. So again, these are my brand fonts here that I have stored. But if you're using the free version, there's still a ton of fonts to choose from. You can also remind people to subscribe. So I'm going to add an arrow to where I'm going to place the subscribe option once I upload the video to YouTube. Now, this is the most important part here. Encourage people to keep watching. So I'm just gonna type in keep watching here, and then once I upload the video to YouTube, I will either add a related video or I'll add a playlist. You want to make sure you tell your audience what to do next. Always give them a call to action. Now save this on your computer by coming up here to download, and you want to leave it as a ping file. Now I'm going to show you how to get your video to appear in this phone screen right here. So I'm using Final Cut Pro, and I'm going to go over here to import, find my file, and then just open it up and add it to the end of my video right here. So as you can see right now, these two files are separate, and what I want to do is combine them so that my video footage will appear overlaid on my ping file, but just in this corner right here where the phone is. Okay, so what you want to do first is click on the video file and drag it over top of the ping file, and just make sure those two files are the same length. And then you want to come over to the right hand side and hit distort. Just keep adjusting the size until you get it to fill the screen or whatever space you're trying to fill. Now if you don't have Final Cut Pro but you do have iMovie has a similar feature. So if you do the exact same thing and overlay the footage you want to use on top of the ping file, you then go to Video Overlay Settings on the top toolbar and select the Picture-in-Picture option. Now I'm just going to play so we can see what it looks like. Perfect. Okay, so once your video is uploaded to YouTube and you're in your Creator Studio, you want to go up to the top and click End Screen. And then you just want to move that cursor up to right before your end screen appears. And then add element. So I'm going to add the subscribe button, which is just your channel avatar. So if people are to click this avatar picture here, they would automatically subscribe to my channel. And then I'm going to add a second element, which is my video or playlist. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose best for viewer. Bring that down, over keep watching. And as you can see, I didn't properly space my wording, but that's okay, you guys get the picture. Okay, so now for the bonus. I've created a special YouTube video optimization checklist for you guys so you can make sure that all your bases are covered before you hit publish on your videos. I know there are a ton of steps you have to take when creating your YouTube videos, and I want to make it as easy as possible for you guys. So go ahead and click that link in my description and I will send you your copy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and share it with someone else who could find it helpful. And if you have any questions at all about what we covered today, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments and I will be sure to get back to you. And for more techie tutorials, go ahead and click the video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, guys.